Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. This is me Yunus. Since being a long time, I was not being able to upload any kind of videos on my channels. So let me know first how guys are doing on the comment sections. And in this video, I will explain you how you can do brute force on SMTP server. So those who are not aware of what is SMTP server, SMTP is the Gmail server which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocols and which is used to deliver an email from a client to the server. So let me describe you first what the actual attack is. In this video, I will demonstrate you how this attack work actually. So what is brute force? Brute force is a trial and error method and it is used to obtain information such as passwords or PIN, which stand for personal identification number. So let's have an example. We have a Gmail ID and we don't know its password. So on the brute force attack, we will create a list of passwords and which will be the list of possible passwords for that ID, and we will try to attempt each of these password to the ID. If the password will match, then it will show that password. For doing that, there will be several softwares on the internet, but what I was actually did, I was written a Python script. You can able to see it, hack.py, that extend for Python, and this is the Python script which I was written. And in this attack, I will show you how that script is work. So guys, let's get started. So here you can able to see a list of password which I was created. So let me copy the path of that passwords, and that will be something like passwords, and it is in deep addition. So let me copy that path. Let me run the script. So mind it guys that for doing this I'm using my own Gmail ID. So there will be the ID and I don't know what the actual password is. So I will do brute force on that and I will try to find out the password. The brute force attack is sometimes also called dictionary reading attack. So you can able to understand by doing that attempt. So here it is asking that what is my password path. So that is the password path which I was created. So let me run that. Click on enter. Yeah, here you can able to see it's trying each of the passwords. Now you can able to see with a couple of minutes you can that script find the passwords. There will be the password, and here it is showing that the password is found. So this is all about this attack, and I think you guys are understood how this script work and what is brute force attack. So guys, if you want this script, just send a mail to me and let me know what purpose you want this script. And most importantly, you have to guys share this video. And if this video is interesting for you and if you learn anything in that, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, which guys actually encourage us to do such works. And on my future video, I will demonstrate. I was written some another script also, so I will demonstrate those script. Yeah, this one I was written to copy the credentials from the Chromes and send it to my mail ID. And here it is for copying the data. This one is for SAMs. And here it is the brute force. So here it is for cookie stealing. I will demonstrate all the script on my forthcoming videos. So keep on my channels and do a subscribe if you came for the first times to my channel. And if you already in my channel, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.